Today I'm going to show you how to create a video like this on your phone using our app Life Lapse. Something that's a little bit different about this tutorial today is it's not only about the stop motion, but it's also including a little DIY project for those on a budget who are looking for some specific props or particular colours to help elevate their products that they wish to display. In this case, we created some DIY pedestals. This involved using some small gift boxes, acrylic paint and paintbrushes, all readily available from either your local dollar store or craft store. Here's a little behind the scenes look at our setup. As you can see, we're using a seamless backdrop from Everyday Co, who we've previously mentioned. We've got lots of painter's tape to keep everything in place because we definitely don't want anything to come crashing down during the shoot. The boxes were taped down a little bit just so that they didn't move. I had a phone tripod for my phone. To get started, download our app Life Lapse, which is available on both iOS and Android. Set your phone's auto lock to never so it doesn't switch off while you're capturing your photos. You may also wish to turn your phone to airplane mode so you don't get any notification texts or phone calls that may disrupt taking your photos and creating a shaky video. Click the big blue plus sign to start a new project. As you can see, the scene is already set up. I'm using the grid to help with alignment and I'm making sure everything is in shot. This includes recentering the ornament that I have taped up with painter's tape. I'm using a lot of tape because this is actually quite a heavy ornament. You're going to want to turn off the flash. This actually controls the camera flash. You're not going to want to have this go off for any of your shots randomly. Be sure to lock your exposure, white balance and focus so you have consistent photos throughout your capturing. Start by taking a photo. Then you're going to rotate the cup a little bit clockwise. Repeat until you've completed a lap. You may wish to complete almost a lap so that when you play it, if you decide to keep it looping, it actually appears as a seamless loop. To make your video longer, you may wish to rotate the other cups, or alternatively, you can rotate them all at once to give added dimension. The ghost feature is an important one to use for a stop motion video like this. It helps you to line everything back up as you really want to keep your products on the same axes. You can do the rotating as slowly or quickly as you want, but while you're making the movement in the scene, make sure you don't disturb anything else. It's a good idea to start the product in a position that is easy to keep track of, so you know when you've completed the full turn. As I previously mentioned, if you want it to seamlessly loop versus boomeranging or freezing any of your frames, you would stop capturing one photo shot of a full turn. When you have all your photos, open the in-app editor. There are lots of editing options available. What I did with this video was duplicate the first frame a few times. I added a freeze effect at the end. I increased the brightness and saturation and decreased the warmth. I had my video boomerang rather than loop through. As you can see, I also added some music that was readily available within the app. In case you're unaware, you can actually go into the music and change where the tune starts. I sometimes do this so that I don't have any sort of fade in for the music. Once you've done all of your editing, you can save your project, and voila! Thank you
so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click Write a Review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.